EasySwap Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The EasySwap Wallet app claims to make crypto trading, well, easy. But does it really live up to its name? Or is it just another overhyped exchange app? Let's take a closer look at the pros and cons to find out. First, the biggest draw of EasySwap is right there in its title: simplicity. It's designed for users who want quick and seamless crypto swaps without the hassle of complicated interfaces or long verification steps. You can connect your wallet, choose the tokens you want to swap, and the transaction is completed within seconds. No hidden menus, no technical confusion. One major advantage is that EasySwap uses decentralized exchange protocols, meaning your crypto never leaves your wallet. You stay in full control of your assets throughout every trade. This non-custodial design reduces the risk of hacks or third-party breaches, something centralized exchanges can't guarantee. Another benefit is broad token support. EasySwap connects to multiple liquidity pools across chains, giving you access to thousands of tokens and often better rates than single-platform exchanges. Plus, it's available on both desktop and mobile, making it flexible for on-the-go trading. However, it's not all perfect. Since EasySwap runs on decentralized protocols, you need to pay network gas fees, which can fluctuate wildly depending on the blockchain you're using. Also, unlike centralized platforms, there's no customer support team to fix failed transactions, and that can frustrate beginners. Another limitation is the lack of advanced trading tools. You won't find charting, limit orders, or analytics here. It's built purely for quick swaps, not professional trading. In short, the EasySwap Wallet app is perfect for casual traders who value convenience and control. But if you're a power user seeking deep data or institutional level features, you might find it a bit too simple. If your goal is to swap tokens safely and fast, EasySwap delivers exactly that. Just be prepared for network fees and the occasional hiccup that comes with the fee freedom.